Look closely at the screen. What if I told you that the person you're looking at isn't real? Not a single pixel of their skin, the glint in their eyes, or the tremor in their voice belongs to a biological human. In this era, the uncanny valley isn't just a theory anymore, it's our new reality. We have entered the age of artificial intelligence beauty, a world crafted by deep learning algorithms that have surpassed human imagination. But as this digital perfection floods our feeds, experts are sounding a terrifying alarm. We are losing our grip on what is real. Today, on Tech Time Vault, we are peeling back the layers of this digital mask to reveal a truth that is far more haunting than any horror movie. This is the end of seeing is believing. Stick with me, because what you're about to see will change how you perceive every single image on the internet, forever. To understand the threat, we must first understand the architect, deep learning. As you can see from current global search trends, interest in this field has exploded. But why now? Unlike the simpler AI of the past, today's models function as a digital nervous system. They don't just process data, they obsess over it. By analyzing trillions of human expressions, these neural networks have decoded the secrets of human attraction. They know exactly how a pupil dilates when we are happy and how skin pores react to light. This isn't just math, it's an evolution. We are talking about machines that can now dream up faces that are more human than humans themselves. But when a machine masters the art of attraction, it also masters the art of deception. Let's talk about that breakout query, artificial intelligence beauty. Across social media, a new kind of celebrity is taking over AI influencers. They don't eat, they don't age, and they don't have flaws. For a teenager today, the standard of beauty is no longer a movie star, it's a curated hallucination. The psychological impact is devastating. Experts call it digital dysmorphia. When deep learning creates a face that is biologically impossible, yet looks visually authentic, the human brain creates a conflict. We are witnessing a massive rise in dissatisfaction with reality. People are literally walking into clinics asking to look like AI-generated versions of themselves. We are trading our souls for a symmetry that doesn't exist. Just look at the real-world examples. AI influencers like Michaela have millions of followers, brand deals, and even release music. They live a seemingly perfect life online, setting an unattainable bar. On the other hand, a recent news report detailed a sophisticated scam where a CEO was tricked into transferring hundreds of thousands of dollars after a deepfake voice call perfectly mimicked his boss. These aren't futuristic scenarios. They are happening right now, blurring the lines between our digital and physical worlds in ways we are only beginning to understand. And now, we reach the most chilling part, the dangers of artificial intelligence. This isn't about pretty pictures anymore. It's about survival. Identity theft has become identity replacement. Using the same deep learning that creates beauty, hackers are now creating digital ghosts. With just a few seconds of your voice and one social media photo, an AI can bypass most biometric security. In the UK alone, deep scams have increased by 400% this year. Imagine a video call from your child, asking for help. Their voice is perfect. Their tears are real, but it's just an algorithm hungry for your bank details. We have weaponized the very essence of what makes us individuals. The vault is open and the evidence is clear. We are living in a beautiful, terrifying illusion. But as we navigate this brave new world, we must remember one thing. Perfection is the mask of the machine. Our flaws, our aging, and our unpredictability are what make us unhackable. As the search for deep learning continues to rise, let our search for human authenticity rise even higher. Protect your identity, question your screen, and never stop looking for the soul behind the pixels. If you found this deep dive essential, subscribe to Tech Time Vault. We'll keep bringing you the truth from the future. Stay human.